Jasper I Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get iWriting tools wrong by assuming they're all the same. Jasper I in 2025 offers advanced content generation, but is it the right tool for you? Jasper I produces blog posts, marketing copy, and social media content using natural language processing. The surprising truth is its versatility. You won't believe what happens next when Jasper generates high-quality drafts in seconds, saving hours of manual writing. Another advantage is customization. Most people get this wrong by expecting generic output. Jasper can match tone, style, and formatting to your needs, making it suitable for business and personal use alike. However, there are drawbacks. Premium subscriptions are required for full features, and occasional outputs may need human editing for accuracy and flow. Over-reliance can reduce original creativity. In conclusion, Jasper I is ideal for writers, marketers, and businesses looking to streamline content creation. If used as a tool to enhance productivity rather than replace creativity, it's highly effective in 2025. Casual users can benefit from free trials, but may find limits on usage.